Hello guys, and today, my patriotic inflatable dog is now in place. I had to do something with the extension cords. I had to mix them up and stuff in here. But finally he's in the yard in the perfect place. So let's turn him on. There we go. Oh, there's a little fly on his nose. But anyway, here he is. 5 feet. And he's got this little bow right there, patriotic bow. It's a cutie. Little cutie. He's a cheap fan inflatable. Well, that should be known already. And I attached the string things. I think they're called tethers. So I attached those to the stakes that are in the ground. So that helps him stand up, which is obvious. But yeah, here he is. He's doing pretty good. I'm not sure if we're gonna get another one next year or this year, but if we are, I think we're gonna get an Uncle Sam one. We'll probably put it right there, right there. So yeah, here's an update on the patriotic dog inflatable, and tonight I will show you a video of him glowing in the dark at night. So bye.